Dumelang Lindlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I know we do not cover this one, right? And I know I'm sick with flu, but I had to cover it today. Isita the enemy. All right. I had a problem with the many lives that Ukaya Sokulu has. Like, I wonder about a cat has 9 lives or cat has whatever lives when Ukaya had more lives. Ukaya was about to get a second kidney. Ukaya survived wanting to unalive himself inside the car. Hey, Ukaya survived being blind. Yay! I was like, no man. I can't this time, whatever they did with the pots happened. Because wow, Ukaya Sokulu was untouchable now. Ukaya Sokulu bekuza zonke izifo, kuza zonke kuvela wonke ama enemies ngapha nangapha kudutshulwa. Hey guys, this guy survived bullets. Nyangizwa mara, he survived literally everything. Today at least we thank God for the debate of who gives who the kidney, because if it was not for that debate of who gives Kaya the kidney, would be in trouble. But I was about to get the second kidney. Yo angeke shem. Ooh, siyabhala storyline. But rest in peace Kaya Sokulu. Let us see how the storyline goes without you. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.